So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. This meme coin has potential to be the next turbo coin. And you can see friends, market cap is just $5.5 million. But this meme coin has potential to be the next real 1000x potential meme coin here. And including we can see it's listing on Binance Exchange. So why I'm very bullish about this meme coin, I will share you is all further details here in this video and the reason why I'm very bullish on this meme coin. So you have to just for the complete here. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you want to watch more videos, more 1000x potential meme coins video on this channel, then you have to support Sky Crypto channel. I had provide you these all my crypto addresses links in description and also on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. Click here and pin message. You can get my crypto addresses here and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Frank Scott's name 0.0014 current price is dropped by almost 14% here, and you can see its last 30 days performance is also not good. This meme coin is dropped by 36% in last 14 days and 14% last 7 days. Right now, market is just $5.5 million here. So super low cap meme coin, $300. $300,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is somehow good because still this meme coin is no listed on major central exchanges. 4 billion coin supply all in circulation, and this is good. That's all supply in circulation. Why I was very bullish about this meme coin? Okay, first reason is here you can see this is Casper ecosystem meme coin, just like Caspi. Caspi I shared it with you I think few days ago, and right now Caspi is 4x than my video, and this is other Casper ecosystem meme coin. And second reason is this. Here you can see friends, AI meme coin. That's why I told you initial video that this meme coin can be the next Turbo also, because Turbo is an other AI theme meme coin. So this is another AI category meme coin, so that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin, can be the next turbo also. We are almost 70% down the install time high. Okay, they were 1 month ago and 128% up the install time low. They were 29 days ago. Coin has already killed 1 0 since its launching. So performance from this meme coin is good. And friends, right now on 4 cent like exchanges have listed this coin. MEXC has listed where high trading volume. Okay, 71% of its trade is on MEX exchange. Binance exchange has listed CoinX and Bioeconomy. Okay, Bioeconomy is I think Bioeconomy and CoinX are the best exchanges, and MXC where this meme coin is already listed, but still lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So when it be listed on many major central exchanges, just like Gate.io still no list this meme coin, Bybit and KuCoin, and maybe it's also possible as Turbo is listed on Binance. So in coming few months, maybe we can see massive high for Casper ecosystem meme coin. At that time, this meme coin can be the next listing for Binance also. Because friends, this meme coin is I think totally similar, looking totally similar to the Turbo coin, and you can see this meme coin is a revolutionary token on Casper network. Okay, on Casper, and you can see this AI meme coin. So that's why this meme coin is very unique here. You can see friends, and 10% tokens, and you can see 30% for public main, 20% for its MP, 40% tokens are reserved for centralized and decentralized exchange listing, 100% fair launch. This is good. Okay friends, that's why there's no any value issue here. 100% fair launch token, no team allocation. So this is good. Steam has no any tokens holding, so this is good. And you can check out all further details on their website. After some cash scan, I can see Casper scan. You can check out all further details. There's 6,700 holders for this meme coin. 160 days ago, this meme coin was launched here, and nearly 7,000 holders for this meme coin already. These are the top 10 wallets holding gold coin. I can see number one wallet has 26% of supply, other wallet has 10% of supply, and all other wallets has also supply. You can see these are the other wallets they are holding this coin. So friends, no doubt, I think this meme coin is very good. And recently I buy this meme coin on MEX exchange for just $5. Okay, because I will buy for another step $5 more here. You can see friends, and maybe I today buy this meme coin, and if I found another dip in this meme coin price, then definitely I'm going to make another entry in this meme coin price. And as this meme coin has just supply of 4 billion coins, so in future if it's possible that we can see its market up to $4 billion, maybe next year mega bullion, so we can convert our $4, sorry, or $5 into $3,000, more than $3,000. So friends, definitely it's possible. As I earlier told you, this meme coin is the real 1,000x potential meme coin, but also highly risky because right now a super low cap meme coin on few central exchanges has list this coin. Right now, Casper ecosystem meme coin has not massive hype, but definitely in coming few months we can see Casper ecosystem meme coin massive hype, and at that time Nacho the Cat, Caspi, Casper, and this meme coin can perform really amazing because this meme coin is I think better than all other Casper ecosystem meme coin because this is AI category meme coin, AI category Casper chain meme coin. So that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here, and I think definitely we can see smashes in like listing and its market cap from just $5 million to maybe $1 billion in next 8 to 10 months here. Okay, it's really possible that we can see gold market from just $5.5 million to $1 billion in next 8 to 10 months. But friends, this is my own price prediction about this meme coin. So if you're also making investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here.